So we need to prove that D is equal to 72. Now the only information we have is that this is equal to this is equal to that. And there's a time where we proved that EH over HG is Y. So EH over HG is Y. So Y is just the same as Y over 1. Just like here, we may want to write this as like Y over 1. The reason for doing that is if we're looking at our sketch now, DF over DE, it's like DE over DF. So it's like Y here and like a 1 over there. Here also, it's EH and GH. So it's like Y over 1 also. And then what else did we find out? We found out that this is equal to X over there. So we're trying to prove that this is 72. We're trying to prove it. So if this is X, if this is whatever this is, it's equal to that, because they're equal. This is X, alternating angles. This is X as well because of 10 chord theorem. These are going to be equal because of it's an isosceles triangle in there. So we just have too much information here. I don't want to lie. So them eventually asking us to end up with 72 for D, like that's a problem because look, there's X here, né? There's X there, there's X here. I mean, like everything here is just, it's so messy. So if this is X and X, this is going to give you like 2X. But then if this is 2X, this means this is also equal to 2X because these are like, base angles of an isosceles triangle. And if this is like 2X there, here this is going to be 2X because, corresponding angles. You see this angle here is 2X, so that angle is equal to 2X. So yeah, it's a lot to deal with. It looks like if we get a value for X, we'll be good to go. So yeah, that's kind of tricky. So thinking of things like the cosine rule and the sine rule, I'm also thinking of that myself, but then now I'm thinking, you see that Y, the Y is like causing problems. But then we don't have to worry about the Y because wait, let's see. Oh, I think I mixed them up. Yeah, I did. Because it's like DF over DE. So it's like the Y goes over here. The 1 goes over there. So if this is 1, it means that this is also a 1. Okay, so if we were to use the cosine rule, I mean, like that may be a bit of a problem because it's like 1, 2, 3 sides, and then there's a Y there. If you use angle, if you use this angle, like it's empty. Like, it's such a mess, man. Like, dang it. If this is 1, it means that this is 1. I think the Y is what's causing problems here. Because like, why are they asking us to prove? Because this is the question of doing. It's almost like me doing it again because I did it. I tried it out and then it bumped out hard. But I think showing that D is equal to 72, yeah, we have to think strategically because is not happening. It is not the happening. I would be lying to you. But I feel like I should maybe pause, right? And then like think of it properly because yeah, let's do that. Anyway, so I think I'm just gonna attempt to solve for X and Y simultaneously using the cosine rule. So the first triangle I'm gonna work with is this one over here. The cosine rule without like saying too much, right? Remember the cosine rule, the side, but now Y plus X. So the yeah. Like, I feel like I'm about to open a can of worms here. Like, like, is that really necessary, Joe? Like, but let's not be scared, Let's not be scared. So in this first triangle here, if you're gonna use the cosine rule, let's maybe use this angle here. Yeah, so if you're gonna use this angle, you'll use this opposite side. So that opposite side, it's gonna be equal to like 1 squared plus 1 squared minus 2, 1 and 1 cos the angle opposite the Y. So this is gonna be 1 plus 1, which is a 2. Ooh, this looks like it's gonna be good. Because here it looks like you can take out, 2 as a common factor. But then now now what? You know, it's like, so what? I if you square root both sides, y is gonna be okay. Let's leave this like this. Let's see, let's label this maybe equation number 1. In our second in our second triangle here, right? Let's see what we can do. We can make we have side 1 there, side 1 there, and angle in the middle there, and then the opposite side is going to be y plus 2. Yeah, let's use a different color. So the opposite side here is like EG, right? So it's like y plus 1. So we're going to square that. And then it's 1 here and the 1 over there. So it's like 1 squared plus 1 squared minus 2 with the 1 there, the 1 there, and then cos the angle opposite this side, which is like 3x. Just because this angle here is going to be 3x. So yeah, this is what we have now. If we work it out slowly, let's see. 1 plus 1 is a 2 cos 3x here. And then here we have 1 y plus 1 squared. If you FOIL this out, you're going to have y squared plus 2y plus y equals to this 2 minus 2 cos 3x, right? And then carrying on, let's see what we can come up with here. Hopefully we don't form out because you're it's not looking nice. Like, I don't want to lie, it is not looking pretty at all. It's just looking like I feel like even like thinking like, but dude, why though? Why you gotta do that? Like, is that really necessary? Like, really, bro? Like, come on now, like, dang it. Yo, let's see what we can do. I feel like, hey, no, I feel like this one, if I keep looking at it now, I'll just waste time. So I'll just stop it for today.